Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
Morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Today I won't be able to keep my video on. So you can keep it on your video so that I can see you. Okay, so what is the time now? 10:01. So let us start with the class. We have to start with construction today. I hope everything is ready. Compass box. You need a compass. Okay, pencil, two pencils, one for drawing and other for the compass. Compass pencil should be smaller. Okay, if you take it a longer pencil, it is difficult to draw using compass. So in compass, put a smaller pencil of a lesser length than the length of compass, and keep a longer pencil for other drawings. Okay. So I'm going to share construction में क्या होता है, what you have to do. You have to what is asked, and then you have to write the steps of construction also and draw the diagram that is required for constructions. Okay. So I'm going to share the screen. Mudabbir, make me the host. Yeah. Okay. So first is division of a line segment in the given ratio internally. Means a particular line is given and it will be asked that you have to divide the line internally in a particular ratio. Internally, you have done questions in coordinate geometry also. That particular line, this is a line PQ, and any point A, suppose P, not X. Any point T, it divides this PQ line in the ratio m:n, remember, or m1, m2, whatever you can take. And the coordinates of the point was given as coordinate of the point, we write as xy. In coordinate geometry, we found it like m into, if this is x2, y2 coordinates, and this is x1, y1 coordinate, then the formula is mx2 plus what, n x1 divided by m plus n. Or if you are taking m1, m2, so m1 x2 plus m2 x1 upon m1 plus m2, and y is equal to same way m y2 plus n y1. This was coordinate geometry. Okay, this is coordinate geometry that we have already done. Now here, by construction, we have to divide a given line in a particular ratio internally. Internally means point is on the line. Externally means point is not lying on the line. So external wala is not there in our syllabus. So we just require a point which divides a given line in a particular ratio. So what you have to do, first of all, a line is given. So particular length ka line you will draw. Okay. So suppose AB. So particular line length you will draw. This is AB. This way will draw, and this will be given ki line of particular length. So this is given. Now you make any acute angle on a particular side. Means on A, we'll make any acute angle. So draw a straight line like this. Okay. Then take a compass. And what is written? The ratio is 2:3. Okay. So what we'll do? 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. Okay. So take compass, put the pointed end over here, and with the pencil, equal 5 arcs we'll draw. Means from here you will draw one arc over here, put the pointed end over here, another arc of same length. Don't change the length of the divider. Okay, the compass. From
Then
here,
how do we put the second arc? Do we,
see,
we put
you will
the
put pointed end here, pencil end over here. Okay, then lift the compass, put the pointed end over here and pencil end over here. Okay, because we have not changed the compass length. You don't have to shift the any particular length you are taking. You after that you will not change it. Then again lift the compass, put the pointed end over here, pencil end will cut over here. On this acute line, we have to make 5 marks. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, because it is 5. Then from here, 4, and here 5. Okay, so for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 marks is there. The last 5th one and B point, you will join using a scale. Using a scale and pencil, will join this point. Okay, the last book, they have written C1, C2, C3, C4, C5. Read the steps of construction. When it is required, you have to write the steps of construction also. So C1, C2, C3, C4, C5. After joining this line, now we have to draw a parallel line from 2, because 2 is to 3. So what is 2, 1 and 2? From here, we have to draw a parallel line. How do we draw a parallel line? Take a scale. Yahan pe scale se we have drawn this. Shift scale parallelly to here. As it reaches here, draw a line parallel to this. Okay. So see, this is parallel line. So you will put a scale over here. Scale ko piche parallelly pull towards this point. As the scale reaches over here, scale ko straight rakke, tedha rakke nahi. In this line only, you have to pull it backward and draw a parallel line. Wherever it cuts the line AB, now this D point is the point which divides this AB into 2:3. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So first step is draw the line. Measurement is given. Then add the ratios. So 5 hai, so you will draw an acute angle and cut equal 5 arcs. Okay. Yahan se yahan, yahan se yahan, yahan se yahan, from here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then join the last cut on the acute line to the end point of the line segment. From here, put a scale over here, pull it backward to 2 point. First section is 2. So here you draw a parallel line. This line should be parallel to this. So this point is 2:3. So this point is required on the line. All this we did to find out this point. Okay.
So ma'am, whatever is the ratio, we add the ratio and mark the points.
That number of arc you have to make in this acute angle. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Let us see textbook question. Then we'll do. For example, draw a line segment 7 centimeter long. Okay, do it at home. If you want, you can do it side by side also. Draw, first of all, measure 7 centimeters. Suppose this is a line 7 centimeter long. So AB is a line 7 centimeter long. Internally in the ratio 3:4. So 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. So I'll make an acute angle and I'll cut equal 7 arcs. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Now I will join this line, straight line. Okay, I am not able to draw using, okay, I'll draw straight line. Let us take, so we'll draw it over here like this. It is a straight line. And then 2:3. So what is 2, 1 and not 2:3, sorry, 3:4. So 1, 2, 3. 3 is this. From here, I have to draw a parallel line. So it should be parallel. See, it is looking like parallel. It is parallel. So this point is, this is the point, required point on AB. D point divides it in the ratio 3:4. Okay. Is it clear, Khalid? So this way you have to do the question. Okay. Now moving to other types of question. Now what is other type? This exercise we have only this much. Second one you can draw on your own. Draw a line segment 8 centimeter, find point R on it such that PR is okay. Now see this question, how will you do? PR, okay, so PQ is given, so let us draw PQ. PQ. Okay, now PR, we have to find out R such that R is somewhere over here, such that we have to find it. Let us suppose ये rough line बनाया मैंने. P, Q, R is somewhere over here. So PR is 3/4. That means 4. That means PR by PQ is equal to 3/4, right? If you solve it, PR by PQ is 3/4. But I want PR by RQ, right? I want PR by RQ. So I can write over here, just do the reciprocal. PQ is PR plus RQ. Just a moment. I think it is not getting visible. I'll do it on whiteboard. Let us do it on whiteboard. This is which exercise? Chapter number is 18. Na? This is 18.1. Chapter number is 18. Okay. Now we have to find out all of you can see the whiteboard, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay. This is PR is equal to. Acha, I'm just writing like this. We have to draw PR is equal to 3/4 PQ, and we have to draw a line segment. PQ is equal to 8 centimeter. Okay, तो rough में ऐसे है. See, PQ is equal to 8 centimeter, and somewhere R is there such that PR by PQ is equal to 3/4. Let us do the reciprocal. PQ by PR is equal to 4/3. Okay, because I want PR by RQ. That should be my ratio. Then only I will be able to draw. So let us break PQ into PR plus RQ upon PR we are getting. Okay, is equal to 4/3. So how much we are getting? 1 plus RQ by PR, right? RQ by PR is equal to 4/3. So RQ by PR is equal to 4/3 minus 1, which is 1/3. Okay. So RQ by PR is equal to 1/3, but I want PR by RQ. So let us do the reciprocal. So PR by RQ, reciprocal on both the side, 3/1. So actually I have to draw the ratio, draw the line in 3:1 ratio. Okay, so that is why I have to change it in this form. Okay, so how will we draw? 3:1 hai. So next page pe we have PR by RQ is equal to 3:1 and PQ is equal to 8 centimeter. So let us draw the line of 8 centimeter. This is 8 centimeter. We'll draw one acute angle at P. Then we have to draw how many arcs? 3 plus 1 equal to 4. So from here, cut an arc, equal arc, 1, 2, 3, and 4. From here, first arc, second arc, from here to here, third arc here to here. Don't change the compass, otherwise you will get wrong value. So don't move the compass. Same compass division should be there. Then join. Yes.
ma'am, on compass, which measurement should we have to take?
Measurement you take. Take
Any
2 centimeters.
measurement?
Any measurement, but it should be same. You don't change the compass then. Once you have taken particular measurement, from here all the measurements should be same. We are using compass so that these all measurements are same, right? So that is why you don't have to move the compass once you have fixed. Okay, understood? You can take
Yes,
any measure and see, because 4 are there, so don't take too long value of the compass divider. Okay, otherwise ये line बहुत लंबी बनानी पड़ेगी. Understood?
Yes.
So take that way only, which is comfortable. Now we have to make 3:1. So 1, 2, 3 हो गया. So this point is R, which cuts it into 3:1 ratio. Understood? Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Now next exercise. Next is construction of triangles. Now question comes from here only. How to construct a triangle. Now remember, in construction of triangle, 3 things will be given. Any 3 things will be given. So we'll do one by one. First, if all the 3 sides are given, then it is very easy to draw. Suppose triangle ABC, AB is equal to 6, AC is equal to 4.8, and BC is equal to 5 centimeter. So first thing is draw a rough diagram. पहले तो rough बना लो. And let us see ABC. So here we'll write ABC. AB is 6 centimeters. So let us write over here. AC is 4.8 centimeter and BC is 5 centimeter. Now what we'll do? Now I have taken this line as AB. So let us draw 6 centimeter ka line. So we'll draw, first step is 6 centimeter AB base we'll draw. Then take a compass and with scale, the value of compass divider, you have to cut it 4.8 centimeter. You know how to measure na? Scale यहाँ पे रखो, compass का one end 0 पे रखो, like this. Suppose this is a scale, right? This is a scale. SSS is a scale, right? I have to measure 4.8. यहाँ पे 0 है और यहाँ पे 4.8 है. On the scale, this is 4.8. So I'll put the compass ka one end at this point 0 and compass ka other end I have to put at 4.8. Now this measurement of compass is 4.8. So what I'll do, I have already drawn AB, which is 6 centimeter using scale. Now using compass, AC is 4.8. So 4.8 ka arc I will cut here. Okay, somewhere here. Then I'll again take the compass and take the measurement of 5 centimeter on the compass. And now from here, I'll cut the previous arc of 5 centimeters. So now this length is 5 centimeter because from here I have cut 5 centimeter ka arc. And from here I have cut 4.8. So this triangle is made. Understood? So when 3 sides are given, just draw a rough diagram and take the compass, take the arc of the given length and cut that side only. Wherever the point of intersection is there, join the 2 ends of the line segment, the base. Okay? Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, second thing, see. Now, first option, to agar तीनों sides are given, you can draw this way. Now, suppose 2 sides are given and the included angle. That means कि ये दोनों sides है और बीच का angle. Included means the given sides के बीच का angle is given. Then how will we draw? Construct a triangle when 2 sides and the included angle is given, like SAS. 2 sides or बीच का angle. So, for example, this is a triangle PQR. Let us draw a rough triangle where PQ is 5.6. This is PQ. 5.6 and QR is 4.5 and angle PQR is 60 degree. Okay. I have already taught you using compass how to draw 60 degree. Okay. So here how will we draw? First draw a line PQ. PQ bana liya. Using scale, it should be 5.6 centimeter. Write down the value over here. Then we have to make an angle of 60 degree. You know how to make an angle of 60 degree? You have to make any measurement arc like this and same measurement, put the pointed end over here and cut the arc like this. So one cut, this is 60 degree angle. Okay. Now this is 60 degree angle. So we'll join this acute angle like this. So now we have got this as 60 degree. And now what will we do? 4.5 centimeter I have to draw. So from here, cut an arc of 4.5 centimeter. So line of the point of intersection, join it with P. and this is 60 degree.
Ma'am,
Understood?
how to make 60-degree angle?
Okay, wait. $60 angle you have to make. This is any line. Suppose I have to make 60-degree angle. So from at this end, I have to make 60 degrees. So what I'll do, any measurement, compass में any measurement you take and cut an arc like this. Put the compass ka pointed end, metallic end over here, steel end over here, and put any measurement and cut an arc of any measurement. Now, when you get this point of intersection, same measurement ka arc from here, you will cut like this. Understood? Don't move the compass ka measurement. So, yahan se pointed end now shifts over here and cut the pencil end over here. Now you get a point of intersection. Join this from this end. This is 60 degree. Okay. If you have to draw 120 degree.
This is only for 60 degree.
Yes. If you have to draw 120 degree, so one more from here you will cut a 60 degree. So yahan se ek aur, yahan se you will draw another same arc ko continue karo and same measurement cut it over here. This hole is 160 degree, 120 degree. If you have to draw 30 degree, that also I have taught you when we were doing locus and all. 30 degree mein you have to find the angle bisector of 60 degree. So first you will draw 60 degree. Okay, और उसके बाद angle bisector same measurement से यहाँ से cut किया, यहाँ से यहाँ cut किया. So this angle is 30 degree. This angle is 30 degree. Okay. And perpendicular also I have taught you. Perpendicular कैसे बताया था? Remember? ऐसे बताया था. Then here it was like this, no? From here like this, from here like this. And then you join. This is perpendicular. Okay. All this I have taught you in locus. So go through that chapter also. Remember, I have shown videos also. Chalo, continue with. Now you know how to draw 60 degree. So this is 60 degree. Next. So when two sides and one angle, you have to draw this way. If you don't know how to draw the angle, use protractor and draw the angle. Okay? You can use protractor and draw the angle. To construct a triangle, when two, you know how to draw angle using protractor. Now everyone knows. So if you don't, you can use it. Now here you have, let us construct a triangle. Construct a triangle when two angles and the included side means ki, two angles and beach ka side, that is ASA, right, are given. So three things has to be there to draw a triangle. Okay, it should be given three things. Now one side is, let us draw a rough triangle. It is BC. So let us draw side, given side here, 4.7 centimeter. Angle B is 60 degree and angle C is 45 degree. Okay, so how we'll draw? What we'll do? Pehle to draw karo. Let us draw 4.5 ka scale, 4.7 scale se. So this is BC, 4.7 centimeter. Now at B, draw 60 degree angle. So we'll draw, you know how to draw it. So this is 60 degree angle. And at C, 45 degree angle. Wherever the point of intersection is, this is point A. Is it clear? 60
Yes.
degree, 45 degree, and you will get the angle. You will get the point, third point. So this way you have to draw. Okay, I told you how to draw 90 degree. If you want, I'll draw it. I'll show you once again. You want me to show 90 degree, how to draw 90
Yes,
degree?
Yes.
Okay. There are two methods. Okay, one method I'll show. For 90 degree, suppose this is a line, I have to draw 90 degree over here. So you know 60 plus 30 is 90 degree. You know that, na?
Yes.
And you know how to draw angle bisector also. Once again, I'll show. This is one arc, same measurement, another arc. So how much is this? Tell me, what angle is this?
60 degree.
Correct, 60 degree. और इसका angle bisector if you have to draw, तो from here cut a arc over here, from here cut another arc over here and join it, that this one, both the angles will be 30 degree. Okay, now this is 60, I have to draw another 30 degree. So what I'll do, I will on here, I will draw another arc to make it 120 degree. Right? Understood? एक arc यहाँ बनाया, one arc यहाँ पे, this is 60, another cut from here, you will cut over here, so this is 120, and from here cut an arc over here, from here cut an arc over here. So this is, it is showing, actually it is 90 degree, ये 30 degree हो गया, ये 60 हो गया, so it is 90. Is it clear? Once again I'll draw it. दिख रहा नहीं है. This is, then we'll draw an arc like this. Okay, say don't move the compass, same रहने दो. Cut one arc, now we get 60 over here. From here cut another arc, now this is 120. Okay, so I will not join it because I want 90 degree. So from here I have to bisect. ये तो 120 हुआ, ये वाला जो 60 है, I have to bisect. So from here cut an arc like this, from here cut another arc like this. Now we have got this as 90 degree. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Now how will we draw? How will we draw this? 45 degree. 45 degree is angle bisector of 90 degree. So from here cut an arc like this. From here cut an arc like this. So now this angle is 45 degree. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
तो एंगल बाइसेक्टर के लिए दोनों एंड्स के बीच का आर्क होता है, एंड अदर तो आई हैव ऑलरेडी गिवन यू, दिस इज 60, वन मोर 60, देन ये 60 का बाइसेक्टर मेक्स इट 30, सो 60 प्लस 30 इज 90, एंड 90 बन गया तो इसका बाइसेक्टर इज 45, एंड द अदर एंगल दे हैव आस्क्ड टू मेक 60 डिग्री, सो 60 डिग्री यहाँ पे बनाओ, फ्रॉम हियर कट वन आर्क, so this is like this. So wherever these two lines cut, this is the third angle. Okay. Okay, next is to construct a right angle when hypotenuse and a side is given. ABC right angled at B, BC, while BC is. So let us draw a rough triangle. ABC, okay, ABC, BC is 3 centimeter and hypotenuse is 5 centimeter. Okay, you know that this is 90 degree. Now you can draw this. See what we'll do. Can you think of it? 3 centimeter का बना दिया base BC. Here it is 90 degree. You know how to draw 90 degree. One arc, second arc, third arc. From here one arc. From here one arc. Don't move your compass. Okay, so this we got 90. ये wrong बना दिया मैंने. This we got 90 degree. Okay, now this is 3 centimeter. From here we have to cut 5 centimeter on this line. Okay, so from here take your compass, measure it 5 centimeter on scale and cut an arc on 90 degree angle over here, because then only you will get a point. So I have cut over here and join it. So this is 5 centimeter. Understood? Or should I draw it on white? It's
no.
clear? It's clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, now this is little complicated. You have to draw and then only you will learn it. Okay, now this is a third part. Third type, to construct a triangle when its perimeter and two base angles are given. Means when perimeter is given and two base angles are given, then how will you draw it? 3 sides में 2 side, 1 angle, 2 angle, 1 side, all these we have done. Now what will happen when we have perimeter and then perimeter is given and two base angles are given, then how will we draw? Okay, And the last one is 2 sides, third side, and one of them. So these two are little different. You will have to learn it. This is also different. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Before that, let us do some questions so that let us see. I'm going to ask how will you draw. Construct a triangle DEF given that DE is equal to 5.1, EF is equal to 4 centimeter. So I'm just drawing over here the rough diagram and you will tell me what should be the first step. Okay, I'll call name. DEF. So DE is 5.1. EF is 4 centimeter. Usually we take base as longer side. Even if you don't take is fine. We'll get a longer triangle, 5.6 centimeter. Okay. Okay, Farhana, tell me how will we draw this triangle? What will be the first step that we'll do? Is Farhana there? Okay. Okay, Khalid, can you tell me how to draw? Is anyone there in the class except Muazzam and Mudabbir? I don't see anyone.
Ma'am, I am also in class.
Okay. Okay, then 3 people I take in class. Okay, then tell me, Muazzam, you tell me, what will be the first step?
And first we'll draw a line EF measuring it 4 centimeter with the scale.
Correct, 4 centimeter with scale EF. Then what will we do?
Then ma'am will take the compass and take measure it 5.1 centimeters.
Okay,
and
and from where? Okay,
from
E,
E will make an arc.
cut an arc. Okay, make an arc. Then
Then
from
we'll go
F,
to point F and we'll take the measurement of the compass as 5.6 centimeter and we'll cut the other arc.
cut the previous arc at a point. Okay, and point of intersection we'll join, and this is the required triangle. This is the easiest one. This will be the required triangle. Okay, so this way, and then always write down the measurements. Okay, write down the measurements over here like this, and the steps of construction. Okay, so this is the first question. You are required to write the steps of construction. It is required. Okay, so you have to write the steps of construction. And you can put it in your own words. Draw a line segment like you said now, like you spoke just now. Same way you have to write. Construct a triangle PQR given that, okay, Mudabbir, you will tell me now. PQR, and next, Khadija, you will say PQR. Okay, PR is, this is my rough diagram. PR is 6.5 centimeter. Angle P, okay, angle P is over here. Let us draw angle P at the bottom. So that is why we draw rough diagram, because angle P upar banana is difficult. So let us make P over here, Q and R. Okay, so angle P is 120 degree, 120 degree. It is a rough diagram, so I can draw like this. Okay, one PQ is 5.2, PQ is 5.2, and PR is 6.5 centimeter. Okay, so Mudabbir, how will we draw this? Tell me, rough diagram. This is rough.
First, we'll make the base PQ as 5.2 centimeters, and then we'll place the pointed end of the compass at P and cut an arc. And wherever the arc intersects PQ, at that point, we'll place the pointed end of the compass and cut the previous arc.
Yes.
Then from this point, which we made just now, we'll again cut the arc to get 120 degrees.
Okay, we have to make 120, sorry. Okay, I thought 60 degrees. Correct, you are correct. So from here, we'll make another arc and then we'll join it, right?
Yes,
yeah, then what will we do?
Then we'll join R and Q.
But R we have not got, na? Where is R? Kahin pe bhi ho sakta hai.
Measure the compass as 6.5 centimeter.
हाँ.
and we'll
And
place
from
it
P,
at P, and we'll cut an arc on this line.
correct. So this point is now R, and now you will join this. Okay, so this just steps for making angle of 120 degree. Now itna detail mein it's not required. You can just say we will make an angle of 120 degree, but you should know these steps in your mind. Okay, is it clear, Mudabbir? Because that time exam mein you won't have that much time. So in your book also it is written, no? Construct an angle of 60 degree at P, or 120 degree at P. But you should know the steps how you have to draw. Okay, so this is the step how it will be done. Next is Khadija, construct a triangle ABC. ABC, BC is 5.5. Angle B is 75. Angle C is 45. Okay. How will you draw, Khadija?
First, we can make BC as base 5.5, and then we can measure 75 degree from a
How will we
protector.
do 75? Tell me. Okay, you are making it using protector. Draw 75 degree you can do. Otherwise, how can you do? Remember, it is 60 plus 15, right?
Yes.
And 15 is how much? First you draw, this is 60 degree, right? And then here
Yes.
one more 60 you draw, right? So this is,
It will become 120, and then we will
total
bisect the
nahi.
angle, and then again
Correct. Again you will
we can
bisect. Correct.
bisect
First
it
you
with
will
70.
bisect this one. Correct. And then ये वाला point हो गया. And from here and यहाँ से you will bisect. So you will get 75 degree like this. Is it clear? You want me to show
Yes.
it how to do 75?
No.
It's clear to everyone? 75 degree?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Compass से clear, huh? Sure?
Yes.
Okay, still it's not clear. Still I'll show. Let us draw a straight line like this. You will draw an arc like this. One arc, two arc. Now ये दोनों का bisector is 90. अब ये जो 30 है, now this you will join dotted line से, ठीक है? Dotted line. So ये जो point है, from here to here you have to draw another bisector. From here like this. And join it like this. So it is 75 now. Is it clear? Got it? This is 60.
Yes.
This is 9. This is 90. Or ye 30 ka half 15. So it is 75. Okay. So this way you have to draw 75 degree. And here 45 degree bola hai. So 45 degree to bataya diya hai. Like this. One arc, two arc. Like this. Or iska bisector is
90
यहाँ से
degree.
1 and यहाँ से 1. Yeah. So it is 45. Joining both point of intersection, you will get the triangle. Okay. So this way we'll do the questions. Next is construct one side is 3 centimeter and hypotenuse. So these you have to draw. Okay. Abhi homework is you have to draw all the construction. When you draw, you will understand. Construct a right triangle which one side is 3 centimeter. Who will tell this? And hypotenuse is 7.5. We can draw like this. Let us take, because names are not given. So let us take a triangle A, B, C. Hypotenuse is 7.5 and one side is 3 centimeter. Okay, Farhana, will you try?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, we'll make the base BC.
Yeah, BC.
And then we'll draw 60 degrees, like an
Yes.
arc.
Okay.
An arc, and then we'll cut it. Then
Okay.
we'll cut for 120. And
Correct.
then we'll keep it on the 60 and draw an arc. Up we'll cut. Yeah.
And on
And
120.
again on, yeah. So
So this is
90
90.
degrees.
Okay, I'm drawing like this. Okay. This is
Yeah.
90 got. Then what will we do?
Then we'll measure and then cut it up.
How much we'll measure and from where I'll cut? This is 7.5. So how much you will take in compass? You'll take 7.5.
7.5.
And from here you will cut because this side is 7.5. So from C, you will cut 7.5 on this line so that this line is now 7.5. Is it clear? So this way you have to draw the right triangle.
Ma'am,
Yes.
can we make base hypotenuse?
If you are making base hypotenuse na, so 90 degree will be very difficult. How will you make 90 degree then? Because 90 idhar aane wala hai then. Right?
Yeah.
So here it is very difficult na to make 90 degree. Notebook ko
Yeah,
ulta
because
ghuma.
hypotenuse is
Bigger.
hypotenuse is very long.
Yeah, it's long, but doesn't matter. It's okay. Because it becomes complicated. You can make it. It's your wish. You can make it, but it will take because koi bhi cheez normal nahi hota hai. Something is abnormal, so it will take some time. See how it will happen. If you make base as 7.5, ye liya 7.5, and one side is how much? One side is 3. So from here you will take. No, angle is not given. How will you draw? You cannot draw. You don't have another angle, right? So you cannot draw. It's better to take the side at the bottom, okay? Because you know how to draw a 90 degree on this base like this. Angle is not given, so won't be able to draw. Construct a right angled isosceles triangle. Equal side is given 4.8. मतलब कि right angled है. This is 4.8 and this is 4.8. Okay, and hypotenuse is there. How will you draw? Draw 4.8. Draw 90 degree. 90 degree ho gaya. And you will cut 4.8. From here you will cut 4.8. From here you will cut because ye hypotenuse hai, right? So 4.8. That is why always in construction draw a rough diagram and then accordingly copy it with proper measurement. Okay. Okay. Now 6, 7, 8, 9. Time is there. I'll show you how to make when perimeter is given. Tomorrow we have. This is the last exercise. 4 exercises. Circle ka bhi hai. Okay. Let me explain this. Now, when perimeter is given and 2 angles are given, how will we draw it? Draw XY means, suppose we have to construct a triangle whose perimeter is 9.5 and base angles are 60 and 45 degree. So 9.5. So perimeter ka length we'll draw first. So first here the diagram is given. I'll show the diagram only because ye thoda sa complicated rehta hai. So first draw the perimeter ka length 9.5. So we'll draw XY 9.5 meter. Okay. Then construct 2 angles are given 60 and 45. So what we'll do half of 60 and half of 45. So what is half of 60? Half of 60 is 30 and half of 45 is 22 and a half. Okay. So we will draw these 2 angles at the ends. Okay. You know how to draw 30 you know how to draw 22 and a half. 45 ka half karoge, you will get 22 and a half. So you can draw that. So half angles we'll draw, okay, and extend these 2 angles to get the point A. Okay, A point we have got, and which same angle you don't have to draw. You have to draw half base angles, okay, and then what we'll do, draw the right bisector of XA intersecting XY at B. So XA, where is XA? XA ka perpendicular bisector. Remember how to draw perpendicular bisector? This is a line. Iska perpendicular bisector kaise banate the? Remember that? From here, aise cut karte the na? Aise. And from here, you cut like this. From here like this. From here like this. From here like this. And you join it. So this is a perpendicular bisector of this line. Okay. So what we'll do, XA को हमने join किया, XP and QY we have joined using the half base angles. The point of intersection we got as A. Now we will draw perpendicular bisector of XA. XA का perpendicular bisector means midpoint होगा and it will be 90 degree. Okay. Here it is 90 degree and it is a midpoint of this line. So we drew perpendicular bisector of XA and perpendicular bisector of AY. Okay. ये point हो गया. When we draw this perpendicular bisector, these two bisectors cut this perimeter wali line at 2 points. These 2 points. Okay. So these 2 points are BC. Now A, B, C, you join it. This is your required triangle. Join AB and AC. This will be your required triangle. Okay. Is it clear? Let us do the exercise question. Construct a right, this AB plus BC plus AC equal to 10, angle B, angle C equal to 30. Okay. So I'm doing it on whiteboard. Just on this question I'll do next we'll do in the next class. Only this question I'm showing you so that homework is not, this is actually classwork, Khadija. So you have to do, because we have already done it in the class. This is your work you have to do. You can send it to me on Google Classroom. Okay, this is like this. So what we have to do, first step is, let us draw 10 centimeter. This is XY. This is not AB. Okay, this is XY. Now angle B is 60 degrees. So this side is B, right? And this side is C. So B is 60 degrees. So what we'll do, I have to make it 30 degree. I have to draw 30 degree. So I'll make 60 degree first, and then I'll bisect it. And this is 30 degree. And here I'll make 50 degree, 15 degree. How is 15 degree made? 60 degree pehle banao, then banao 30 degree, and then from here say you'll bisect it like this. So this is 15 degree. Okay. Now we got this point as A. I have to find B and C. So from XA, I have to draw perpendicular bisector. XA ka perpendicular bisector, any measurement arc aise bana lo beech mein. From here, cut an arc over here, cut an arc over here. From here, same measurement, cut an arc over here, cut an arc. Now join this line. Join nahi ho raha hai. Straight lines. Okay. Same way, we'll draw an arc, perpendicular bisector. From here, cut an arc like this, upar or niche. From here, now join this. Okay. Now these 2 points are, this is B and this is C. Even if you check it now, it will be 60 degree, or I am drawing it wrongly. So because my measurements are wrong, so I'll not get exact values. This is the method I have shown. So this way you have to draw. This is ABC required triangle. Is it clear? At
Yes,
home,
ma'am.
do it. At home, do this exercise till this point. Rest of the questions we'll discuss tomorrow. Okay. So let me see. Other questions are also there. Okay, no, these 3 I have to teach you. 7, 8, 9, I have to teach you. So till 6th, complete it in your notebook. Okay, so that's all for today's class. See you tomorrow. Bye, everyone.
And,
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.